How did I get started in fashion design? I get asked that question many times. Well, let's start with the fact that I was born and raised in Rome, Italy. So I was surrounded by art and history and beauty. I mean, wherever you turn in Rome, there's beauty, like fountains, for example, such as the Trevi Fountain, where the famous movie La Dolce Vita by Federico Fellini was shot, with Marcello Mastroianni and the beautiful Anita Ekberg. And of course, architectural wonders like the Colosseum and frescoes. Roma, che bella città! I was always good in art. I was drawing and sketching and painting. When I was 13 years old, my parents immigrated to New York, and I eventually attended one of the best fashion design schools in the world, FIT, Fashion Institute of Technology. Fashion by day and yes, music at night. I was in a rock band. After graduating from FIT, I worked at Ralph Lauren, and we had the best Italian tailors in the world who share with me knowledge and skills and wisdom from the old school, which I incorporate in my classes. My mom was a seamstress. She was always working on some project or another, either making something for myself and my brother, or working for a factory sewing clothes. So I looked at her sewing machine as a toy, and I started playing around with it. When my mom passed away, she left me her fashion design homework notebook from when she went to school in Italy. Something I will always treasure because it's full of inspiring information not available in any textbook or school. After working in the industry for many years and teaching at FIDM, the Fashion Institute in Los Angeles, I decided to start sharing my knowledge and experience online, creating Fashion Premier Academy, where I teach courses on sketching and draping and pattern making, branding and marketing, textiles, and more. I also have a YouTube channel where I answer all my students' questions. So I look forward to answering more of your questions or seeing you on Zoom. Ci vediamo in classe. Ciao. Welcome to Fashion Premier Academy. Design your future now.